Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to cover a topic called systems of equations. So this is essentially when you have two equations, acting together simultaneously. So one example is, let's say you had, I don't know, y equals 2x plus 1, y equals negative x plus 4. These equations, what you have to do is to solve for x and solve for y. And graphically, what this represents is, say this is a graph, right? If you have two lines, I'm just drawing two like random lines, that x and y is the point where they intersect. Because this point is an x comma y coordinate. So when you solve for x and y, you find where these two lines intersect. There are two methods of solving systems of equations, and today we're going to cover substitution. We will cover the other method known as elimination in a separate video. So substitution, here's a note. Use only when one equation is already solved for. What do I mean by that? I mean in the form y equals blah 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 or x equals blah blah blah. That is, you already have the y in terms of an x, or you already have the x in terms of a y. That's when you use substitution. So let's do an example here. So we have the two equations, y equals 3x minus 5 and 2x plus y equals 1. Now, we already have y in terms of x here, and we know y equals this. So what we can do, just substitute the y over here for this y, right? We can just substitute this y with 3x minus 5. So we can rewrite this as 2x plus, parenthetically, 3x minus 5. It's just a y equals 1. And we just solve here. So 2x plus 3x, just 5x minus 5 equals 1. 5x equals 6, x equals 6 over 5. Yay, we got it, right? But we're not done. We're not done yet. We have x, so how can we find y? Just plug it in the original one. Y equals 3x minus 5. We found x. So to find y, it's going to do y equals 3, 6 over 5, because that's our x minus 5. And when you compute this, it's going to end up being negative 7 over 5. Negative 7 over 5. So we have y equals negative 7 over 5. So now just put it together. X equals 6 over 5. Y equals negative 7 over 5. How do we represent this as a coordinate point? Just x comma y. 6 over 5 comma negative 7 over 5. That's it. We found it, guys. Let's do another example here. Let's say we have x equals 2y minus 1 and 3x plus 4y equals 8. We have x here in terms of y, right? We have x in terms of y. So we can just plug in this equation 2y minus 1, which equals x, into the x over here. When we plug it in, we get 3 times 2y minus 1 plus 4y equals 8. And from here, we just want to distribute this. 3 times 2y, just so that's 6y minus 3 plus 4y equals 8. So that's just 10y minus 3 equals 8. 10y equals 8 plus 3, which equals 11. So y equals 11 over 10. We have y. So how do we find x? Plug it back in. Remember, x equals 2y minus 1. So x equals 2 times 11 over 10 minus 1. That's 22 over 10 minus 1, just 10 over 10. Go back to our video about subtracting fractions here, actually. So that's just 12 over 10. And that simplifies to just 6 over 5. Which is x, not y, I'm sorry. So x equals 6 over 5. Now let's represent as a coordinate point. X is 6 over 5, so our point is 6 over 5, comma 11 over 10. That's it. So yeah, that's basically all there is to substitution. It's a relatively easy process when you have one of the equations already in the form y equals or x equals. It's a great way to solve simultaneous systems of equations. And yeah, that's it. Join us next time for our next method, elimination, which is a little bit more difficult, but we'll get through it. And yeah, make sure to like this video, subscribe, leave your comments down below, share this to anyone who might find it useful. And I also want to mention we have captions now. In case you guys didn't watch the other video, we have captions in 4 languages: English, Hindi, Tagalog, and Mandarin Chinese. So if you're interested in that, go ahead and turn the captions on. And yeah, that's all. That's it for today, guys. Have a good day.